This is going to be extremely interesting because I don't know how to feel about this one in particular. And I say this one in particular, I'm talking about Chainsaw Man Episode 1, the long-awaited anime. So it better live up to its hype. It better, as many times I've seen so many times on Twitter, even on the trailers and the comment sections and some of the reactions I've had. Y'all been hyping this up. I need to see. It's gonna be crisp. It better be good. It have a better, good, compelling story. Animation better be A1. That's all I gotta say. So that being said, let's get right into it. Now I mean, yeah. Okay. Oh, it's like the painting styles that they have for the. Yeah, the background's paintbrushes. Okay. The kidneys. What? Oh my, what? Oh my gosh. So why sell your eye, your kidneys, and your... What? Tomato devil. $400,000. Dang. Slash. Dang, is that depressing? Oh, he's like a puppeteer. Okay. Hey. And he would too, because he needs the money. That's so messed up. Okay. Alright, that's decent, I guess. Is this your dad? What? Pour yourself out. Oh, you got shot. I'm concerned about this chainsaw, my guy. Oh, this anime started off depressing, boy. Oh my gosh. That's A. It does. You're dying too? Dang. Oh my gosh. You can't catch a break. You about to take him out? Work like cheap for one. Yeah. That's crazy.
ゾンビの悪魔だから。デビルハンターは僕ら悪魔殺すから嫌い。だから殺しちゃうんだ。みんな、そいつバラバラにしてゴミ箱に。
That's crazy. Right through the back. He made sure to bring you deep into the warehouse too. Oh man, this ain't gonna look good. Right over the other wound. Oh, this is gonna be. Ooh. Oh my. And they still going in. He's. Wow. Okay, he's done. My gosh. And they decapitated this man and chopped her. Wow. And they cut Pucci in half. I don't even remember the animal's name. Puchita. Oh, I was close. I called Pucci. Go ahead. Oh man. Wow, and he wants a simple life. Wow. No. Okay, Denji. Wow. He's inside you now. Ugh. We'll see about that, my guy. We know how this story begins. And I hear it too. Yep. Yep, there go the eye. Eat. He ate that. He still got cut. Them chainsaws are heavy. he coming for you, my guy. There we go. Yep, we're not done yet. There we go. Please. Oh, they still move even after the main unit is done? That's crazy.
デビルハンターとして雇われてるからに悪魔はぶっ殺さねえとね。
Okay.
そっか。てめえら全員殺せばよ。借金はバーだぜ。
Well. He gets a lot of practice with his new abilities, at least.
生きてるのがいますね。
A hot girl? Is this the girl he was referring to? Oh, dream came true, I guess. Well, not all the way.
君の選択肢
Dang, they know I'm out.
悪魔として
I
私
can
に
kill you,
殺さ
you
れる
don't, or you work for us.
人として私に飼われるか飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ
If I keep you,
餌って朝飯
like, what's for breakfast?
食パンにバターとジャム塗ってサラダコーヒーあとデザートかな
Hey, that's Poochie's dream. I mean, his dream.
最高じゃないっすか。
Oh boy, this man right here, he went through it. When I say he went through it, yeah, there ain't nothing left. Wow, that was a very depressing start, my guy. He sold his organs. That's what's throwing me off, is that still to this moment. Wow. Okay. The one thing I'm concerned is this girl says she'll take him in. This man thought about food. I'm like, okay, wait. Let's take a step back. You not concerned like they may treat you like the people that you just came from? Because remember, he was hired as a devil hunter. So if that's the case, you're not worried about them treating you the same way. They may feed him, you know what I mean? But that the attitude and things that he may go through, like treat him like a dog, because the other people treat him like a dog too. I don't want to be treated like that here, you know what I mean? I want him to have some respect, and his goals are so simple. Anyone can manipulate him, and he can still believe he's leading up to what he wants to do. So I just don't want to go through the same thing again. You know what I mean? I see that he has his other eye, so I'm assuming his organs healed themselves as Poochie like absorbed or fused with him, type of thing. I do wonder if he's going to evolve, because I'm pretty sure they're going to tap into that or explain more about what makes these devils, how do they become so strong by eating human flesh or whatever. And I guess time progresses, he can probably become stronger because he is a human, but he has Poochie in his heart, so he's like a hybrid type of thing, you know? But I'm pretty sure somewhere he can like evolve, become even stronger, I'm assuming. So I'm looking forward to that and seeing how he's going to harness his new abilities, probably be around other people, maybe even see somebody just like him. Who's the enemy? There's devils, but who are the enemy? You know what I mean? I think that's the one thing I'm curious about. So that's all I gotta say. I'm interested, I'm invested. But y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. Until we meet again, y'all stay safe and be blessed. Peace.